Hey there, welcome back to AI Code King. One of the areas where AI excels is RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. Basically, by RAG, I mean being able to give a context, such as a PDF, text, or document, to the AI, and letting it summarize the information or perform actions like calculation, expansion, and other such things for us. Because summarizing things like longer documents, texts, and documents can be challenging. Who wants to sift through long research papers about research on programmers who use Vim, or read through large books for that one takeaway that you want to take from it? It's pretty annoying, to say the least. ChatGPT does offer this feature in their interface, where you can send PDFs, docs, and multiple other things to summarize them for you. But, you know what? ChatGPT costs money. Who wants to pay $20 every month, which can be pretty much done for free with just a little effort? Plus, even if you pay that fee, you can't share extremely sensitive data with it, because OpenAI is going to take your data and make an AGI. Well, in short, it's not privacy-friendly at all. But how to do it for free? Because if we come back to the local or open source scene, you see that there are not many easy-to-use RAG apps that are basic and allow us to just get our data summarized or do whatever we want and call it a day. I have covered one of the easiest ones to use, and that was Verba. Verba is also a little hassleful to set up, though. Plus, you need to first add all your documents to it and then use it. But today, I have something that's a little more fun and easy to use, and that's RAGapp. RAGapp, as the name suggests, is an easy way to use agentic RAG in any enterprise or even for personal use. You can give it your documents and chat with the documents. You can also use it to serve APIs and use those APIs to build your own interface or use in your custom applications. It's pretty cool. RAGapp works with Ollama, OpenAI, and Gemini. It has an admin UI where you can set everything up as well as check the chat. Then there's another chat UI where you can just chat with it without any settings. Then there's also the API endpoints if you want to connect it with any custom applications. It's pretty cool. This is a relatively new repo, and multiple features are still being added. It's built on LLaMa index, which is why you can see the UI is also clean, just as seen with LLaMa index apps. It's quite easy to install as well. I'll be telling you how to get it installed with Ollama with the Phi 3 model because it's small in size and has a longer context length of 128K, which will be helpful for RAG. So, let's get it installed. First, go to Ollama's site. Over here, click on the download button. Choose your operating system and get it installed. Now, once it has been installed, go to the models and choose the Phi 3 model. Copy the command and paste it in your terminal. This will get the Phi 3 model installed on your computer. You can also use any other model as well. Anyway, once it has been installed, you'll see this chat interface. Go ahead and send a message and check if it's working. Now, we'll need to also install a text embedding model. To install it, run this Ollama pull nomic embed text command. This will get it installed. Okay, now, head over to RAGapp's GitHub page. Scroll down, and you'll see this command. Go ahead and copy this. Now, before running it, make sure that you have Docker installed. Otherwise, this wouldn't work. If you don't have it, you can go to Docker's site and get it installed from there. Anyway, once you have that, run this command. This will take some minutes, and RAGapp will be installed. Go ahead and open port 8000 on your browser. Once you open it, you'll see this screen. Choose Ollama over here, and in the model, choose Phi 3 and click the Update button. Once done, you'll see this screen. Now, In the left are the settings, and on the right is the chat window. So, you can easily change your configuration over here and see the result live in the chat window. It's pretty cool. Anyway, in the settings, over here, you can change the model to OpenAI, Gemini, or Ollama. Then, over here, you can set up your system prompt for the agent. Like, if it's a financial agent or a helper agent, you can set it over here. Then, over here, you can set up tools like DuckDuckGo for web search, or if you want to know about some topic that is on Wikipedia, then you can use the Wikipedia tool for that. Now, in the Knowledge tab, you can add your files, which you want to chat about. Once you add a file over here, you can chat about that file in the chat window. Let me add a newsletter over here. Okay, now it will take some time to get added. So, now it's added. Let's send a message over here in the chat window and ask it about the newsletter. Okay, as you can see, it provides the response. It tells everything you ask. You can also see the citations for the answer over here. It's pretty cool. Let me also add a research paper over here and chat about it. Okay, it's now added. If I send a message over here, you can see that it tells me about that as well. Pretty cool. You can also turn on the tools over here to use it with web search or Wikipedia data. You can also use this attachment option to add a document over here if you just want to use the document for one conversation. It's pretty cool. So, this was the admin panel. But if you click over here on the Start App link, you can see that you'll only see the chat interface. So, if you don't want to see those configure tabs every time you use it, then you can use it from here. All the PDFs you have added over there in the configuration will also be available here. You can also add the documents from the attachment option over here without going to the admin panel. It's really cool. You can also go over to the API section and you'll be able to see all the API methods. You can use these APIs to connect it with your custom application or maybe use it with the chat interface of your choice. It's pretty cool to say the least. It has a great interface, it's easy to use, and it's also very easy to install. It's best if you want to use it with your PDFs and knowledge bases, or better yet, deploy your own chatbots. It's pretty cool. Anyway, go ahead and give it a try, and let me know your results in the comments. If you liked this video, consider donating to my channel through the Super Thanks option below this video. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.